What is that shit?
I'm gonna go get the fire.
In my jacket. Whoa, that's bright as fuck.
Where's it all at? Where's it all at? Kenzie, lady, let me talk to you real quick. Kenzie, hey, hold up. What's your name real quick? What's your name?
My name's Tati.
Oh, Tati, what do you do, Tati? Damn, how you doing like that?
My name is professional. My name is, you know.
What? Check out the hair. You doing it real big right now. What? Yeah, I do like it a little bit. You know, it's nice. It'd be going.
Okay, my name is T.
T?
There it is.
You mind?
T.
Just T?
There it is.
Like no T, or just T, you know, like.
I thought it was
just
T. Like T as in like, damn, I like to drink tea.
Yeah, like T.
What? True. What? Alright, so where we rolling right now?
We're going back to your pen.
What we doing over here? Look at that. Who you hitting up? You be on that Twitter?
No.
Get on my face. We trying to do it. We trying. Hey, alright, so, well, you guys, you know, thanks for talking to me. You guys take it easy, you know. I see you guys doing it real big. Hey, you can find us on the streaming live, you know. Yeah, find her on Twitter. She's doing it. Yeah, http://twitter.com/all that, you know. Alright, see, take it easy. We'll see you. Alright, AG.
Alright. See you.
See ya.